Yeah, it's video time again. It's your boy Reed. I got another snap-on 3/8 drive ratchet. Another nice tool. This one right here comes with the battery and the charger. As shown this time, this one is complete, it looks like right here. So I want to go over. As a matter of fact, it's got two batteries. I didn't even think about that. So this has got two batteries. And the batteries, they say 7.2 and 14.4 volt. They're and you can see that's got a full charge. It doesn't show any kind of, and that's why, I'm making the video so you can see that the battery has a full charge and it doesn't show a bad battery signal from this charger. So there's your snap-on. It's a CTR761 CTR. I'm sorry. It's a CTR761C 3/8 drive ratchet. Really nice condition on this one. Really nice. This is really nice. The battery. That battery doesn't have a model on it. That's weird. These batteries don't have the model, but they're the 7.2 volt. That's weird. Weird stuff happens. So let's change these batteries out. I'm gonna put this other one in there. And I had charged it up before I start making the video, so you can see I switched out the batteries. That one's got a good charge as well. Now this one here is in the, I'm sorry, CTB8174. This might mean that it's a little newer, but the batteries might be even newer. This is a nice little set right here, man. I did one of these earlier, had a little more wear on it than this one. You can see it's got a variable speed. You can make it go slow. It's got a light, you can make it go fast, and as I mentioned earlier, it also goes forward and reverse. And go slow. If you barely touch it, you can make it just tick along. And the more you go, you can see that you vary the speed with how hard you press the button. I've noticed a lot of tools does like that. Now. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take that battery out. This one, as you can see, was already charged up. Pop it back in here. Same thing here. Just like the other one. Same deal. Nice tools. Nice tools. With the light. I don't know what else there is to say about it. I mean, it's just awesome. I don't need a tool like this. There's a wrench set over there that's coming up next. It's nice too. It's a different brand. I'm gonna get to that shortly. The charger is the CTC762A. Two batteries and the ratchet. There we have it. There's another video. I kept this one short. I mean, there's really not much to say. It's in immaculate condition. I mean, it's just, it's just, I don't make these things up. I don't try to shoot you tell you something that it's not, man. I mean, you can tell it's used, and that's why I'm making the video. You can see some scratches and scuffs right there, but look at this. Look how clean that is. Look how clean this is. You can just easily read everything. Charger looks really new. Batteries look really new. You ain't gonna find it much better than that for used snap-on tools, man. Don't get much better than that. It really doesn't. That's, just like I said, let's keep it under 5 minutes on this one. There's really nothing else to say. It's just really nice.